Yo, what is up guys? It's your boy UFO from NLOSMM.com. Right now the best SMM panel where you can buy social media services for you or your clients. From YouTube views all the way to Spotify plays, you can find everything on the NLOSMM.com panel. But in today's video we are going to talk about Instagram services, or shortly, how to get Instagram followers, where to buy Instagram followers, is it cheap, is it safe, how it works, and couple more Instagram marketing related things we are going to cover in this topic, in this video. So first things first, when you arrive at NLOSMM.com, you need to choose the platform, right? Choose Instagram. When you choose your platform, you can see all the categories of services you can buy for Instagram and help your page or personal profile grow naturally, or whatever you want to do with it. So first things first, let's talk about Instagram followers. Why do people buy Instagram followers? Well, in most cases it's because of the social proof of the brand or of yourself. So people will believe more the page or profile with like 10,000 followers rather than 10 followers, right? And that's the exact moment when you come to the website like NLOSMM.com and buy Instagram followers. We want to mention that on our panel you can find literally tons of Instagram followers services. You have the ones with the guarantee, the ones without the guarantee. You can even buy verified accounts follows, which means verified accounts will follow your account, which is great. And it's a really nice when people see that you have verified accounts in your followers. You can also buy verified comments, so people with the verified blue tick badge will comment on your posts. Now let me show you how to buy Instagram followers. So you come on NLOSMM panel, log into your account or register, top up the balance. We have tons of add money options, crypto, PayPal, everything is in there. So you top up the balance and then you select the platform Instagram, and then you go, for example, to followers and order. As you can see, bunch of different servers, right? And you're asking yourself, why so many servers? Well, because all of them are unique only of its kind. You need to read the description. Some of them have worldwide followers, some of them have short refill guarantee, some of them have a lifetime guarantee. You need to choose what suits best for your needs. So always check the description of services in order to know should you order that or this server. But for the sake of this tutorial, we will order simply regular server. So let's go and make an order. So right here we have our Instagram page, and as you can see, for now no new activity, right? So we will copy the link. You need to copy the link, or sometimes you will only need to enter your username. So we will copy the link of our Instagram profile and then we will go shopping. So I want to boost it to like 150k. I like that number. So I'm gonna go ahead and order literally any server from this huge list of servers. You have the cheaper ones, but I always like to go with like lifetime guarantee or at least 1 year guarantee, because in that way, if your followers drop, which can occur, don't be mad about that, because it happens. Our Instagram accounts we are using to send you Instagram followers are getting banned and drops can occur. So Let's go, for example, and order from this server. So start time is like 0 to 30 minutes, which won't, this number can be changed anytime. So today it can be delivered in like 1 minute. Tomorrow it can be delivered in like 2 hours. It depends on the overload. So right here in the link, we will simply enter the link of our page we want to order Instagram followers and the amount. So I'm gonna order like this and click on the order now. And that's basically how you order your Instagram followers. So if you're searching where to buy best Instagram followers, I gotta say that NLO SMM panel is right now the best option for you. And why? Because they have literally bunch of services with crazy quality, and they're fast as hell, which means you will get your followers in like no time. And that's what makes NLO SMM stand out from the rest of the competition. And right now, when we are talking about it, we will simply wait for those followers to start, and they will start literally in a couple of seconds. While we wait for that, let me show you how to buy Instagram likes. Simple. Select platform again, category, likes, and you have fast likes here. So for example, let's choose this. I have like 5K. So you open the image, you copy the link, you go to the panel and you order the likes, and they will start immediately. If not immediately, in a couple of minutes, because Instagram likes are really fast. And that's basically how to buy Instagram followers. But now, while we are waiting for my followers to go up, and as you can see, they are going up right now. As you can see, really nice looking profiles. They have pictures, they have activity. If you're interested in getting like only USA profile type followers, it is possible. You can even choose on our panel if you want male followers or female followers or followers interested in makeup. We got a bunch of different servers and we are adding them non-stop. So every single week we are adding something new to the panel and something new you can buy for your Instagram. Now, let's talk about, is it harmful for your account? Yes. Yeah. It doesn't go the way you think it's going. Like you create a new page, you boost it with like 10K followers, you boost some likes and you go to explore page and organic growth. No, it's not working that way. So if you want to simply boost your followers for your shop page and make it look more natural, more interested, more trendy, more hyped, then it's okay. But if you want to grow naturally and organically on your Instagram profile, it's best that you do not buy Instagram followers on your new page. And that's our honest opinion based on our experience in the past. If you're having a new page and you want to go to explore page and grow organically, we will suggest our power services. So you will get power services from real accounts with real followers and everything. So you will get power likes, you can get combo, which is like likes and comments and everything. Those services like these are the ones that trigger the Instagram algorithm in getting you suggested to people on the explore page, which means more views, more likes, more followers, right? So if you want to grow organically, do not buy fake followers at all. If you want to boost your numbers and make your shop page or whatever look more natural, buy followers. But the grand question is, can you buy followers like 2 months after using power services, for example. So you grow your page to a certain amount of followers and you want to give it a little bit of a boost. Yeah, you can do that, but don't overdo it. So for example, you got like 5,000 organic followers or the span of the month. Boost your page with like 1,000 fake ones, just to make that number look more appealing, to attract new people to your page and to attract potential new buyers of your product or a shout out from your page or whatever. So you can also use our very unique service called Mass DM. Mass DM is something you will love. So it doesn't matter if you want to promote your own Instagram page or your product or whatever, go and check out our mass direct messages. Check the whole description. We explained everything, how it's used, how it works, and everything. I will be short about it. Mass DM is right now the #1 strategy for growing your Instagram page or business, or growing your sales from Instagram. So make sure that you test those on your account for your page. You will love it and you will grow. We have a bunch of different, as you can see, services. We have email extractor, which means we can scrape emails from Instagram accounts and we deliver those emails to you so you can get yourself some leads or sales or whatever. I guarantee you that there is no other SMM panel that sells this type of quality of services. We have literally everything from low quality bot Instagram followers for like dirty cheap, all the way to the perfectly real Instagram followers for your page. So if you're interested on how to buy Instagram followers, where to buy Instagram followers, I just show you. Now let's return here and see how our followers are getting up. So as you can see, I'm getting followers every second and the likes are also there. As you can see, the likes are already delivered. Followers are coming in, likes are delivered. As you can see, it's all in the spam in like 3 minutes. And that's why I tell people NLO SMM is a game changer when it comes to SMM services and SMM panels like whole, because our services are unique, high quality, and the start time is freaking awesome in most cases. There are cases that our start time is kind of late, probably because we have tons of clients per day. But in most cases, especially for Instagram services, you will get your followers, likes, comments, or whatever within minutes. So if you're looking how to grow your Instagram business, how to grow your Instagram page, where to buy Instagram followers, where to buy Instagram likes, I gotta say that you're in the right video, because I just show you the best possible way to grow your Instagram with SMM panel. Is it worth it? Of course. Is it expensive? No. So why wouldn't you give it a try? In the next topic, in the next video, we will cover how to grow your Instagram organically with power services. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button and wait for that video, because you will love it, because we will do a case study on how using nlosmm.com can help you grow your page organically, and we will show it. It will be a long video because it will be a case study over the span of a couple of days in a cuts, but you will simply love it. And after that, I'm sure you will start using NLOSMM for your social media marketing needs. Thank you guys for watching. It's your bro UFO. See you guys in some other video. Peace out.